developing. Before we begin the rankings, these are, in my opinion, the things I look for.
Oh my god, am I streaming? Oh my god. I'm streaming! Holy shit, dude. Oh, hello, everybody.
Oh.
There is nobody here, lah, of course. Okay, today
The usual.
Today the usual, as usual, nobody here. Oh, really close though, 99 followers though. Eh? Right here,
So,
yeah.
what happened to what?
Oh yeah, and I voted Pog. What's going on? We're coding right now. That's nice. Learning Python. Yeah. And then I'm trying to change the color. That's why I'm watching a YouTube video. Learning coding Python project. At the moment, updating VS Code. Changing color key. Okay. And then yeah. Nice. Oh, I didn't well, too bad I didn't I didn't record the beginning of the learning. Usually I record, like, I wanted to make a video, be like, what I learned in Harvard CS50, like in a nutshell, and then post it on YouTube or post it on TikTok, you know what I'm saying? Like that.
That's gonna take way too long.
Under 15 seconds, I learned blah 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 blah, and then done.
Under 15 seconds.
That make
Yeah.
up a good theme. Note
Summarize
that all
everything.
these themes are found in the VS Code marketplace. As well
I'm
as
pretty
in
sure a lot of
my
other
main
channels do
ID.
that before. Lah.
I know.
Why don't you just steal their content and just put it on TikTok? I feel like that will get more views.
Developing. A good theme is
But it's me. It's my learning.
composed of three components:
not them.
clarity and contrast,
And you get
aesthetics,
views.
and versatility.
The quality
The
will be
first
there.
one, clarity and contrast, in my
Yeah, the quality will be better. It's about the self-development. It's not about
Oh yes, of course.
the views, you know. Wow, I'm being so conscious about my wow. Chat right here. Okay, it's good. Okay. Where's the text? Okay, put the text down. Nice. Oh, I fixed VS Code is updated.
opinion, is the most important one in a theme.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter how good
Colours,
a theme looks. If I can't read my code, it's
Changing the
futile.
colours now.
I feel like this is where a lot of themes already
I'm
fail.
learning.
It could be the background color being too bright or too dark, or maybe a certain color standing out too much and distracting me. It may not look like it, but it's pretty damn hard to make a theme. You also have to take into consideration the syntax highlighting, which has to make sense. You can't just put random colors because they're pretty. Talking about prettiness, I don't think that.
I'm adding the window capture for VS Code now. Visual Studio. Oh, is VS Code open? Okay, it's working. Where did it go? I mean, it's working. So that's good.
Logic, bro. What is this shit?
Bro, why you learning? Why you learning logic? Oh my god.
No, he said this is a lot of logic, and I don't understand anything. I guess I have zero logic.
I guess so.
To be better at logic, you have to do a lot of maths. But I fucking hate maths, bro.
Ah, GG.com.
The hell? Okay, whatever.
Nice. Okay.
That's the word. That's where the second component comes in, aesthetics.
No. Python is not supported in the latest version. What the
Huh?
heck am I doing?
Will it not be supported?
Like, Python 3.10 is not supported. 3.7 is.
Then download 3.7 lah.
What is Python 364-bit? I don't know. I guess I'm installing that also. Starting down operation. Sure, I don't mind. Oh yeah, the video.
Yeah, a theme could be legible, but would you really want to code in this? Now then, the last thing that a theme could be legible, but would you really want to code in this? Now then, the last thing that makes a theme really stand out is versatility. What I mean by that is how a theme looks in various programming languages. A theme may look amazing in JavaScript, but terrible in Java. I put this one at the bottom of the list because I'm pretty sure you're not going to be coding with 6 different languages today. Now, since I'm not a nerd, since I only know 2 programming languages, I am still sorry, HTML. It was the first real programming language which I learned. I'm sorry, HTML. Versatility isn't as important to me. Now that that's out of the way, let's get to the ranking. At the number 12 spot, making it the worst. Finally, the number 1 best VS Code theme is OneDark Pro. This theme is so good. Out of all of the themes I've mentioned in this video, I don't think any one of them has as good of color palette and legibility as One Dark Pro. Inspired by Adam's color palette, rest in peace Adam, One Dark Pro is currently... Does this theme even count? We have Storm's VS Code look so good. If you're one for aesthetics and have an extremely fast PC, I highly recommend this theme. Plus, it works. Does this theme even count? We have Vibrancy. Now, this is not your typical best VS Code theme. Is
Pro. Installation is complete. Okay. It should work now. Oh, my code is still here. Okay. Command line. Customize. I don't know. Control Shift P? Go to View and Command Palette. Command. Okay, never mind. View, where is Command Palette? Don't have fault. Eh? You can't see. Why is the VS Code not working? Okay, it's working now. But it's damn big. I don't know why. Okay, it's working now. Okay. How do I... Does my code still work? 5, 2, 3. No, it's not valid because you're betting more than what you have. Huh. How do I still can't. Command pad.
Jesus, so much shit.
Oh, color team. Color team. Ew. How do I get a better color team? Control K, Control T. Oh, finally. Control K. Control K. What is Control K? Color palette. I don't want to accidentally press something that I don't wanna. I don't know what happened. I don't know. I'm still busy trying to change the color. think it's in the bottom right corner.
Oh, God.
File.
So over the past few years, Visual Studio Code has been my favorite IDE to use. I used to use Sublime before and then Visual Studio, but it makes your code look more visually pleasing.
Oh, it's an
I want to mention a
extension.
few more extensions that are there mainly to improve the aesthetics of your code. I'm not much of a theme person, so I just use the default dark theme. However, I've heard great things about Cobalt 2, Night Owl, and Winter is Coming themes. So if you're into themes, do check them out. There's also an extension called Prettier that helps you format your code
Box. Color. There is. Bro, I give up. I cannot figure this out.
What?
I cannot
debugging
change the
ah?
color. I want to change the color, but I can't.
Then don't lah. Just focus on the thing. Stop being
Like this.
Yeah, where are you on?
where you call that? Getting easily distracted. That's the stuff.
Yeah, I know. Where are
What's
you
that
on?
thing called again? ADHD. Yeah.
I'm on 15 minutes. Main print balance line.
I'm on 34.
You're almost done. Oh my god. Okay, speed
And
up.
then we'll write lines. And we'll
That's
say
almost
total
done.
bet
Yeah,
I still have
is
20 more minutes, I guess.
equal,
we still have 45
Two.
more minutes.
and then we'll put a dollar sign,
I
and we're going
understand
to put
that.
inside of here a variable. I'm going to say total bet is equal to bet
It's okay.
multiplied by the lines,
bit something.
okay? And we'll say this is the total bet. All right, so let's run this now, and let's see what we get. We no longer need to print out the balance in the lines, by the way. All right, so let's run this. How much would you like to deposit? Let's say $100. Enter the number of lines to bet on. Let's go with 2. Would you like to bet? How much would you like to bet on each line, or what would you like to bet on each line? Let's go with $10. And now it says our total bet is $20. Great. So this is okay, but I just realized that we actually need to check if the amount that they're betting is within their balance, because they can't bet more than whatever their current balance is. So we need to check that, and we could check this in a few different places. But since I've called this get bet, I'm not going to put it inside of here. I'm just going to do the check here, and then I'm going to recall get bet if they entered an invalid bet. So I'm actually going to put now this inside of a while loop, and I'm going to say while true. I'm going to say bet is equal to get bet, and I'm going to then say total bet like this inside of here. So we put total bet. Okay. Now I'm going to say if my total bet is greater than my balance, then we'll say
Fuck
print
is that? Bruh?
you
What?
Don't know. Looking at the video back.
Bet, get bet. Total bet. All true. Lines, get numbers, trines. All true, lines.
How do you pipe operator? The verb. Pipe operator. Okay, I'm searching for that.
If total bet is more than balance, print you do not
do not have enough to bet that amount. And then we'll say what their current balance is. Your current balance is, and then we'll put $sign. We're going to put our F string here, and this is going to be their balance. All right, and then otherwise, go. And then we'll put $sign. We're going to put our F string here, and this is going to be their balance. All right, and then otherwise, we will simply break out. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. I also could just put a condition here for the while loop, but I think this is okay for right now. All right, so let's try this now. Let's run our code.
Break outside of loop. Oh, problem. If total bad break. Else, okay.
How does he fucking do pipe? What?
How much would you
I
like?
don't get it, bro. This guy is trolling.
Run the code. 100,000. 84. Okay, 3. Nice. Okay, what if we run it with like I have 20 bucks, 3 lines. Then I put 99. Nice. Code
Fixed
works.
deposit. Okay, $100. Let's bet this is $100 on 3 lines. The bet is equal to $60. Moving deposit. Okay, $100. Let's bet on 3 lines. Let's try to bet $40. Since you don't have enough to bet that amount, your current balance is $100. Okay, how much would you like to bet on each line? Let's go with $20. You're betting $20 on 3 lines. The bet is equal to $60. Okay, so we have now successfully got the number of lines, the betting amount, the deposit amount. Now what we need to do is we need to actually run the slot machine. Now this is where it gets a little bit more complicated, and I'm going to start importing some modules. So the first module I'm going to import is the random module, because we need to generate the slot machine values kind of randomly, right? So how are we going to do this? Well, the first thing we need to figure out is how many items we want to have in each reel and how long we want the lines to be. Now, slot machines can get a bit complicated.
Uh-oh. 1 second. Ay, a bit soft. Okay,
Oh,
I'm back.
so fast.
Yeah, I was like, I wanna code. Let me code.
Wow. The grind. The grind is more important.
Sigma grinds it.
Nice. Then what?
Nice.
You encore already, or you still
Yeah,
calling?
encore already.
Oh, okay. I mean, she needs to sleep early anyway.
I mean, like it's like
Like
12
one.
o'clock. And like it's not good, you know. You
Yeah,
need to
and she
sleep.
like wakes up like what every fucking 6 a.m. Not 6.
Even earlier than that, bro.
Yeah, no. How does she even survive 4 hours of sleep?
I don't know. People are built different.
No, that's unhealthy.
Yeah, I know that's unhealthy. Exactly the point saying that. Go sleep.
Crazy. Never mind.
I know, right? Crazy.
You crazy.
You crazy. Crazy.
You crazy.
You crazy. Crazy.
You crazy.
Nice. Oh. Nice. Oh. Right. Eh? Why suddenly 2 viewers? Nani kore?
They find this interesting.
You finding the coding interesting? Nice. Okay. Get back to work. Now.
In terms of how the lines work, I'm going to keep this really simple, and we're going to imagine that we have a 3x3 slot machine and that you only get a line if you get 3 in a row, okay? If you get 3 in a row, then you win. This might not be the most balanced slot machine. It might not be one you want to play on, but for this project, it's fine. So again, I'm going to set some values here that specify the number of rows and columns we're going to have in our slot machine. So I'm going to say rows is equal to 3 and calls is equal to 3. And if we wanted to make this a little bit better, we could say, I guess, actually, you know what? Row and call is fine for right now. I don't know exactly what they would call, like, I guess it'd be
Rows,
like
tree,
reel count and number of reels or something like
calls
that.
equals tree.
For now, though, this is fine.
Are you
Alright.
done?
Now
I
what
think
we
it's
need to
almost 1 hour
specify
already.
is how many symbols
No,
are in
I'm
each
about
of our
37
reels.
minutes left.
Now, it should be the same,
Oh
at
my
least
God.
I was
from
like
what I know. It should
checking
be the same
things
number
just
of
now.
symbols in every single reel. We're not doing anything really complicated. When I say reel, I'm talking about kind of one column, right? So how many symbols are in that column? Because we're going to have to randomly select out of those symbols, and then we need values for our different symbols. So we need to pick kind of, first of all, how many symbols do we want to have in total, and what do we want those symbols to be? Now, to keep this easy, we can do something just like, you know, A, B, C, D. Those are probably fine as the symbols. Yeah, we can do something like that. So let's say symbol underscore count is equal to, and let's make a dictionary here. Now, for our dictionary, I'm going to have the
Dictionary.
symbol be a string, and I'm going to have the count right
Uh-oh.
here. Now, for our dictionary, I'm going to have the symbol be a string, and I'm going to have the count of this symbol in each reel. So I guess what we can have is characters that are like at the beginning of the alphabet, like A, be the most valuable. That's what we can something like that. So let's make a dictionary here. Now, for our dictionary,
How do you do that? Oh, shift enter.
I'm going to have the symbol be a string, and I'm going to have the beginning of the alphabet, like A, be the most valuable. That's what we can have is characters that are like at the beginning of the alphabet, like A, be the
Oh,
most
damn.
valuable.
I got a
So
lot
maybe
of
we only
errors.
have, I don't know, something like 2 A's in every single reel.
GG.
And then for B's, we could have something like 4 of those squished together. But if this was a number
Oh,
and I tried
fuck.
to add it to the string, then this would cause an
pressed the number while viewing the video. Now I don't know where I am.
what those symbols to be. Now, to keep this
okay.
easy, we can do something just like, you know,
Filter.
A, B, C, D. Those are probably fine as the symbols.
What's the problem?
Yeah, we can do something like that. So let's say symbol underscore count is equal to, and let's make a
Never mind, that's not
dictionary
a
here.
problem.
Now for our dictionary, I'm going to have the symbol
Oh
be
my
a
God.
string, and I'm going to have the
I
count
know,
of
right,
this symbol
Bugs?
in each reel. So I guess what we can have is
What is all
characters that
this?
are like
Why
at
is
the
it
beginning
wrong?
of the alphabet, like A, be the most valuable. So maybe we only have, I don't know, something like 2 A's in every single reel. And then for B's, we could have something like 4 of those. For C's, we could have 6. And for D's, we could have 8. Now, again, I don't think this is going to be very balanced slot machine. I'm not going for the best odds here. I'm just trying to kind of make something work. So let's see if this actually works.
2, 4, 6, 8.
For us, if every single reel we have 2 A's, 4 B's, 6 C's, and 8 D's to choose from. Now, the thing that I think is going to happen here is we're going to get a lot of situations where it's
Does this
just
affect
D's
anything?
that are being in the reels, but
Yeah, it's not.
let's see if this works at all in terms of randomly selecting. Okay, so that's what we've done here. Now what we need is something that's essentially going to generate what the outcome of the slot machine was using these values here. So to do this, I'm going to say define, and we'll say get underscore slot machine underscore spin, okay? And inside of here, what we're going to take is we're going to take the rows, calls, and symbols. And this will be the symbols that we pass. So these are 3 parameters that we're going to pass to this function, and then inside of here we can use these parameters. So inside of this function, again, what we need to do is generate what symbols are going to be in each column based on the frequency of symbols that we have here. So we essentially need to randomly pick the number of rows inside of each column. So if we have 3 rows, we need to pick 3 symbols that go inside of each of the columns that we have. And for each column, we're doing kind of a new random pick, right? A new random generation of the symbols. Now, this can be a bit complicated. Now, the easiest way to randomly select values here for each of our columns is going to be to create a list that contains all of the different values we possibly could select from, and then to randomly choose 3 of those values. And when we choose a value, we'll remove it from the list, and then we'll choose again. Now, what I'm going to do here is not going to be the most efficient algorithm, but since we're dealing with small values, this is fine. So let's see how we work with this. Okay, so what we're going to define here is all underscore symbols. Okay, now this is going to be a list.
Thing?
And what we're going to do is write a for loop that's going to add however many symbols we have here in. What I'm going to do here is not going to be the most efficient algorithm, but since we're dealing with small values, this is fine. So let's see how we work with this. Okay, so what we're going to define here is all underscore symbols. Okay, now this is going to be a list. And what we're going to do is write a for loop that's going to add however many symbols we have here into the all symbols.
Okay.
So I'm going to say for. And since we're iterating through a dictionary, I can do the following. I can say for symbol, comma, symbol underscore count. And then this is going to be in symbols dot items. Now, when you use dot items, what this does is give you both the key and the value associated with a dictionary. So I can get the key here and the value, and I can just use both of them rather than looping through the dictionary, only getting the keys and having to manually reference the values. Okay, so now that I have the symbol and the symbol count, I want to add this many symbols to the, symbols list. Now, there's a few different ways to go about doing this. I think the
Expected inner block after 4 statement on line 20. How do I see the number of lines? 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh no! All these errors. Fuck me.
No, line 23. Line 20. Fuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Got indent? Def for all symbols equals to rows calls. Def get slot machine for symbol. symbol good, symbol count in symbols item.
Dots. Good. Not machine.
God. Please. Invalid syntax. Oh no, not the syntax problem. Is it better now? Oh my god. Ah, jeez.
Okay, so now that I have the symbol and the symbol count, I want to add this many symbols
For a symbol count.
to the, what do you call it, symbols list. Now, there's a few different ways to go about doing this. I think the easiest way to do this is just going to be to run another for loop so that I don't confuse anyone. So we're going to say for, and then this is going to be, let's do this, I in range, and then symbol underscore count. And actually, we don't even need I. We're going to put underscore. Now, this is an anonymous variable in Python. So whenever you need to say loop through something, but you don't actually care about the count or the iteration value, then you just put an underscore, and then you don't have an unused variable anymore. I'm going to say for underscore in range symbol count. I'm going to say all underscore symbols dot, and then this is going to be append, and I'm going to append whatever the symbol is. So what's going to happen here is I'm going to loop through this dictionary. Let's imagine I'm on the first key value. My symbol is going to be A, and my symbol count is going to be 2.
Oh, fuck is
so now I have
append.
another for loop inside of here, where I'm looping through the
Input.
symbol count. So the symbol count is 2,
something.
and what I'm doing is doing this 2 times. So I'm going to add this symbol twice into my all symbols list. All right. Now that we have the all symbols list, we need to select what values are going to go in every single column. So how do we do this? Well, let's make a for loop that is going to do this.
What is a for loop, my
So
dude?
I'm going to say my column is equal to a list.
For loop is basically
And inside of here, I'm going to place a bunch of lists, which are going to
Everything is
contain all of the values inside of my columns. Now, this may seem a little weird to any of you that have used a nested list before, because typically when you write a nested list, you kind of have all of the interior lists here that are representing your rows. So if I had like
line
0,
100
0,
in module.
then this would be the values that are in
Line 98.
row 0, right? Or in the first row. And then this would be the second row, and etc. However, here, we're doing it the other way around, where each of these nested lists is going to represent the values in our column. So keep that in mind. I'll explain how this works in case any of you are a bit confused later on, but I just want you to know that we're storing the columns, not the rows inside of here. Okay, so we have all of the symbols, and now for each of the columns that we have, we need to generate, what is it, the values inside of the column.
Bro, how do you even see the number of the line from the left? Like, how do I know it's like line correct? Oh, I found it. Okay. Like, it doesn't.
And how many values do we need to generate? Well, however many rows we have, that's how many values we need. So we're going to say for, and this is going to be call in range.
Columns is not accessed. Columns.
And then calls like that. And then we need to say for, and this will be row in range rows. Okay, so for every column, we need to generate a certain number of symbols. So inside of here, I'm going to say that my column is equal to an empty list. This is actually not going to have our columns inside of it. I just was putting that there for an example. And now I need to select a certain number of values, from our all symbols list. So let's see how we do this. So we're going to say value is equal to random dot choice, and I'm going to choose from all symbols. Now I can use random choice symbols list.
Def get slot machine all symbols symbol count in symbols item for underscore in range symbol count all symbols append symbol columns equals to column in.
So let's see how we do this. So we're going to say value is equal to random dot choice, and I'm going to choose.
Why? I don't get it. What's the problem?
Now I can use random because
You're actually making me sound like.
for columns for call in range calls column equals for row in range. Rows value equals random dot choice.
And I'm going to choose from all symbols. Now I can use random because I imported random here.
What
What
can't
we're
I,
actually
man?
going to do though is we're not going to use the all symbols list. We're going to use a copy of this, and you'll see why. But what we need to do is once we pick a value, we need to remove it from this list so that we can't choose that value again, right? So if there's only 2 A's,
Why?
we shouldn't be able to select 3 A's.
It's
We should only be
literally
able to
the
select
same
at most 2.
shit.
So if we select 1A, we need to remove it so then the next selection doesn't have that as a chance. So that means we need to make a copy of this all symbols list, because if I start removing from this all symbols list, then when I try to do the next column,
My call and column is not accessed because it's not symbol properly. For call column in call range, row in. Oh, it's not.
it's going to have
accessed.
values removed. So that's what we need to do. We need to make a copy. So I'm going to say
Space above.
current underscore symbols is equal to all underscore symbols. And the way you copy a list is you do this. You put a colon here. This operator here is referred to as the slice operator, because if I just did this and made it equal to all symbols, what happens is current symbols stores the same object as all symbols. Now that means anything I do to all symbols affects current symbols, and anything I do to current symbols affects all symbols. So this is not what we want. We don't want what's referred to as a reference. We want a copy. So the way you do the copy is you put a colon here.
Expected
Make sure you
2
add
blank
this,
lines.
otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, continuing here. Now what we're going to do is select from our current symbols, and then we're going to remove whatever this value is from
Like this. No.
our current symbols list. So we're going to say current underscore symbols dot remove and then value. Now when you do dot remove, it's just going to find the first instance of this value in the list from our current symbols list. So we're going to say current underscore symbols dot remove and then value. Now when you do dot remove, it's just going to find the first instance of this value in the list and get rid of it.
Oh my god,
Okay.
yeah.
Now that we've done
Actually,
that,
I
we
don't
want to
get the
add
problem,
this
bro.
value to our
No.
column. So we're going to say column
What the
dot
fuck is
push, and sorry, not push, not in JavaScript right now, I'm in Python, dot append the value. All right, and I just realized here, we don't actually need the column, and we don't need the row, so we can just put underscores there. Now what we're going to do after this is we're going to say columns dot append, and we are going to append our current column. Now let me run through this because I understand it's a little bit confusing. We start by defining our columns list.
We start by defining column list.
Then we are going
Then for underscore in range,
to generate a column for every single column that we have. So if we have 3 columns, we need to do everything inside of here 3 times. That's why we have this first for loop. Then inside of here, what all of this code is doing is it's picking random values for each, I guess, row in our column, right? For each value that we're going to have. So we say column is equal to an empty list. We say our current symbols, which are the ones we can currently select from, is equal to a copy of all symbols. Then we loop through the number of values that we need to generate, which is equal to the number of rows that we have in our slot machine. Then we say the first value we're going to get here, or a value we're picking, is random not choice current symbols. This picks a random value from this list. Okay? We then say current symbols dot remove the value so we don't pick it again, and then we add the value to our column. Okay, once all of that's done, so this for loop is finished, we now should have however many rows there are symbols inside of our column. We now add our column to our columns list. Then finally, we can go here and we can return our columns. Okay. And remember that when we're looking at this list here, every interior list gives us the value of the items inside of our column. I know, a little bit confusing. This was quite a bit of logic, especially if you're a beginner programmer, but I told you I wanted to make this challenging enough to be interesting for you and show you some new stuff. So don't worry if this doesn't make complete, entire sense. Maybe read through this a few times, pause the video, go back and listen to the explanation again. But this is
There's
how we
nothing
generate
wrong.
the items that are going to be in our slot.
Why do you torture
Now
me
that we
like
have
this?
this, we want a way to print this out. We want to look at this because I can't even.
Let me test my code, see if it works. It doesn't work!
So dumb. What?
Line
I-
32.
It's literally
The
everything is
same
like the
thing.
same.
But it's a syntax error. Something was never closed. Line 32. This one. Oh. Okay. Stop. Oh, yes! Yes! It works. Suck my balls! Suck my balls!
even really test this yet until I can print out what's inside of all of my columns. And I want to print this in like a nice way. So I'm going to make a function here and say define
Jesus.
print underscore.
VS Code. Updated VS Code. Changing. Changing color theme failed. I'm dumb. And then, oh my god, we have a viewer. Welcome, Zesty Fungi, bro. That's a weird ass name. Weird champ yourself, man. Learning coding Python project. Ah, yes. Okay.
Underscore slot machine. And what we're going to take here is our column.
Def print? Huh? Bro, what minutes are you on? I'm on 30 minutes. I'm catching
With
up.
me,
Yeah.
you're on 30 minutes. So
Yeah.
I'm on 35 minutes.
Hey, I'm catching up.
But you see lah, I'm just stuck on this bug and I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, you wanna show me your bug?
Sure.
Well,
I
okay.
share
Okay.
screen.
Okay, share screen. I'll do display capture so that everyone can see. Okay, wait. I'm opening the display capture. Hey, can you see? Okay, show me the
There's
bug.
no
Run it.
errors.
No, run it. What do you want to depot? Yeah, there's no bug. If it runs, it works.
No, shut up.
You don't have enough to bet on them out. Okay, so 7.
Wait, okay, no, this is an error. I'll do again.
Wait, what's the error? Is it looping?
100,
Yeah.
3. What do you want to bet on each line? 50 lah.
Yeah, you do not have.
No, I
enough-
don't get it. So-
No, you don't
This-
have
this
enough.
error.
Oh, okay. Trace back most recent call last line 100. Go to line 100. Module main.
It's literally copied straight from the YouTube.
You have to put a semicolon.
Pretty sure that doesn't help. Don't see got errors already.
No. Oh shit. Yo, Zesty Fungi, you know how to do this? I don't know I'll get to that soon enough lah. You try to fix it yourself first, okay?
Yeah, sure. I'm just dying. That's
Bozo, I'm gonna get that sooner or later. I'm gonna have same problem.
Print underscore slot machine. And what we're going to take here is our
Def print slot machine. Def print slot machine. Oh, I already have problems. Okay. Column.
same fucking shit.
columns. Now, when we have our columns, it's
I legit
not
don't get
really in a
it.
format that's
Like, what's
easy
the
for us to print
problem?
because we
I'm
have
actually like
all of our columns
Oh.
kind of laid out as rows almost, right? Like we have maybe, actually this isn't going to be good, but we would have like A, B, C in one. Maybe we have like A,
ABC,
And again, these are our
ABA.
columns, not our rows. So what I need to do is kind of flip these around. So rather than having like A, B, C, A, 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 it would go A, B, C, right, in the first column. And then this would say A, and then A like that. I know that I kind of butchered this example the way that I wrote it out. We need to change it from being this way to be this way, right? That's how we need to print it out. So how are we going to do that? Well, this operation is actually referred to as transpose.
Transposing. My man, what in the poop is I transposing? Oh my god. Noted. Okay. That emoji's kind of cute. I like it.
Because we have what's known as a matrix. We don't need to get into
A matrix.
all the
We don't
fancy
need
words,
to
but
get
understand
into
this is known
matrix
as
now.
transposing. So the way we're
We
going to do
learned
this
that
is
in
we're going to write
like
a for
grade
loop.
11.
And we're going to say for, and then this is going to be
For row
in range.
in range.
And then we need to determine the number of rows that we have based on our columns. Now, the number of rows that we have is the number of elements in each of our columns, right? Because that's the number of vertical
Why, yes,
spaces
I
we have.
understand every
So
single
we
thing
need
you're
to
saying.
look at a column and get the length of that. So we're going to say the length of columns 0. Now, this assumes that we have at least one column. And we should always have one column, so it's fine to put this here. But understand that if we did pass something that had no columns, this would crash because there'd be no column at index 0 to access. So I'm saying for row, in range, the length of columns 0. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to loop
Why does he
through
put a
all of my
semicolon
columns and
after
only
every
print the
bracket?
first value in it, or whatever the index of my current row
What kind
is.
of
Again,
I
I'll explain
guess
this in a
like,
second. I know this is a bit confusing.
to
So I'm going
continue
to say
the
for, and this is going to be
the
column
column
in, and then
or something.
columns like that.
Okay.
And when I do this, now I'm looping through all of the items inside of columns. So it's giving me every individual column. So now that I have a column, I'm just going to print the value that's going to print. So now that I have a column, I'm just going to print the value that's at the first row of that column. So I'm going to say print, and then I'm going to print column at row. And I'm just going to put a comma here and put a pipe operator. And the reason I'm going to put a pipe operator is so that we have some separation between the different items, right? Now, I just want to make sure, though,
It's a
that
pipe
I only
operator.
put this pipe operator here if we're not printing the last column. Because if we're printing the last column, then we don't want to have the pipe, like, off, right? We only want to have 2 pipes in the middle, not one at the
Pipe?
very end.
Where's
So
the
the way I
pipe?
need to check this, I need to say for I, comma, column
The
in,
pipe is at the
enumerate
under
columns.
backspace.
Now, when you
I was also looking
enumerate,
for
what
that
this
for
does
like
is
a whole
give you
5
the
minutes.
index, so 0, 1, 2, 3, as you loop through, as well as the item. So now that I have
The fuck is enumerate? Enumeration is complete ordered listing of all the items in. It's crazy to the regular listing of elements of a set. Bro, I already cancelled my intake, right? But I'm still getting invited to the classes.
Have you told your supervisor about it?
I asked already, waiting for a response. Ah, my back hurts. Well, not really. My shoulder. Maybe I need a pillow under my ass. Why am I doing enumeration? Like what in the whack is enumerate? Enumerate columns. 小字母, don't give me a big word. Give me a small word. Okay. Columns. God damn it. I need a semicolon. Okay. Control S. Okay.
what I can actually do here is I can say, what I can actually do here is I can say, there's a few ways to do this. Let's actually go back to this. We'll say if I does not equal, and then this is going to be the len of columns minus 1. We'll do this. Otherwise, we'll print the same thing. We just won't print the pipe. Now, like, there's a bunch of different ways we could have done this, but this is just the way that I think is going to be easiest, so that's how we'll do it. So the reason I'm checking if I is
Why
not
did
equal
he
to
write
len of
so
columns
many
minus 1
things
is
in a
because
few
the len of
seconds?
columns minus 1
Bro, what?
Beginner course apparently.
of columns
He just wrote like 2 lines of codes in like 3 seconds.
minus 1, we'll do this.
Die.
Otherwise, we'll print the same thing, we just won't print the pipe.
And then minus 1.
We'll do this. Columns minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay. Minus 1. Okay.
We'll do this.
Then he moved this one forward?
Otherwise, we'll print
Otherwise? Otherwise what? Oh. Else?
the
Clear?
same thing, we just won't print the pipe.
I don't get it when he explains the skitty beep bop bop da da, then boom, it works.
Same.
Now, like, there's a
I
bunch
just
of
know
different
he's
ways we could have
speaking
done this,
facts.
but this is just the way that I think
Yeah,
is going to be
he's
easiest,
speaking
so that's how we'll
facts.
do it.
Cause it works. No, why is it removing everything? God damn it. Print column row.
So the reason I'm checking if I is not equal to the len of columns minus 1 is because the len of columns minus 1 is the
Is it correct?
maximum index we have
Okay.
to access an element in the columns list, right? If we have a columns list with 3 items, the length is 3. The maximum index is 2. So if I is not equal to the maximum index, print the pipe, otherwise don't print the pipe.
Yo, Zesty Fungus, do you want the size of the YouTube video to be bigger? I can make it bigger for you lah. Yeah, like it looks like this. I hope you like it.
That's how it's going to work. Okay, so now we have print slot machine and get slot machine spin. That's all. This is all we need for printing this.
I hope you like it, Zesty Fungus. Hey, your name damn funny way.
Slot machine. So we loop through every single row.
This is better.
Oh, you better fucking work right now. If you don't,
I'm gonna get
my brain's not gonna work anymore.
For every single row, we
talking?
loop through every column, and for
I'm
every
gonna
column,
die, man. I'm gonna fucking die.
we only print the current row that we're on. So we're gonna print.
I'm stuck at 34 minutes. We signed up for this, bro.
What is it? Row 0.
I'm gonna
So
take
all-
art.
I'm gonna take business.
For every single row, we loop through every column, and for every column, we only print the current row that we're on. So we're gonna print. What is it? Row 0. So all
Why?
of
I'm
the
doing
elements in row 0
exactly the
first,
same as this
then row 1,
dumbass.
then row 2,
I'm the
and this
dumbass,
essentially
but-
transposes
Oh
or
my
flips our
God.
columns from being this way
How's
to
the
vertical
code
this
going?
way.
I don't know. I haven't tested it. Let me test it. Please
Test
don't
it.
give me codes. GG have problems. Line 44. An indent does not match any outer indentation level. Line 44 is. Oh.
This right? I'm also having problem with this. Bro, this
I know. This one is just like this. Yeah. Okay, start it. Oh,
I legit keep having problems for this one fucking shit. And I can't find the problem at all.
is it this one? Then cannot import enumeration T for. I didn't ask you to import I didn't ask you to import anything else for enumeration, okay?
All right, so let's try this now. And then we'll kind of finish the program because we're actually getting quite close now. All right, so once we
How's
determine
life?
what...
Wait,
You
let
still
me.
get the error.
No,
You
no, no.
find the
Let me look at this whether it works or not. Because right, you need to finish the program sometimes first before it works. For row in range, line columns. Okay. Two brackets, then this one. And for I column in enumerate brackets columns for I if I is len.
I'm gonna go fill my water. Tell me when you get solve the problem.
I land columns -1, then print column row. Is the row correct? Dash. Oh, I didn't end shit. Who told you I ended shit? Nobody. Then bracket it. Then else print column row.
First, then row 1, then row 2,
Okay.
and this essentially transposes or flips our
Okay,
columns from
so,
being this way
do
to be
you
vertical this way.
fix anything?
No,
Alright,
I
so let's
didn't
try
want
this
it to fix anything yet.
And then we'll kind of
Because
finish.
I'm just making sure that the code is correct. But let's run it. Yeah, that's like an enumeration problem. You know what? Just
Okay,
leave it.
maybe
Just leave it.
that's what's like happening with mine also. But it doesn't ask me to import anything, so I don't know.
Just move on. We must sasageyo.
We can't move on. Like it doesn't. You can't like. If you don't do this code, then you can't do the entire program. So, yeah.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. There's a problem, huh? 1 second. If I close this, 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 if I wait, no, I close this. Close. Let me make it smaller. Ah, okay. Okay. I'm adding one more. Python script. Wait, no. I'm adding. What the frick am I adding? You know what? I'll just add the display capture. I'll just add the display capture inside. Oh, that's dangerous. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Sounds dangerous. Okay, this is better. Then I'll just no, I don't want to run it. I don't want to run it. If I run it, it's bad. I'll just continue the video.
Finish the program because we're actually getting quite close now.
Else break print where if you are betting online. Else break, is it print? You do not have enough to bet that amount. Your current balance is else break. Then
All right, so once we determine what they're betting, down here, what we need to do is generate a slot machine. So we're going to say slot, we'll say just slots is equal to, and then this is, what do we call this function? We called it slots is equal to, and then this is, what do we call this function? We called it get slot machine spin. Okay, so get underscore slot machine spin, and then it auto-filled this for me, but we're passing the rows, columns, and symbols. So row, and then, okay, so get underscore slot machine.
then rows, calls, and spin. Okay, get rows, calls, and spins. Okay, it works.
Spin, and then it auto-filled this for me, but we're passing the rows, columns, and symbols. So rows is all capitals, actually. Calls is like this, and the symbols, I believe we called this the symbols count, or we called it symbol count. So let's go here and make that symbol count. Okay, so now we should have all of the columns in our slot spin, right? That's what that did for us. Now what we need to do is we need to print this. So we're going to say print slot machine, and we're going to pass to this our slots. And really, this is the columns, but I'm just calling them slots because each one is like what's in the slot, right? Okay, let's give this a shot, guys. There probably will be an error because that's usually what happens when you write this much code from scratch, but let's see if this works. Okay, so we are depositing. Let's deposit $100. Enter the...
Call stack from main. Do you see what I'm seeing?
Where?
Let me fix this. Okay. Yeah, so like, what's this problem? Cannot import name enumeration key from enum in library enum.py. So I don't have that enum.py thingy. Like, let's just see where this takes us first.
the number of lines.
How's
to
your
bet on.
project first? Like,
Let's bet
does it run
on
smoothly?
2.
No.
And then how
Enum
much we like to
type
bet on
of
each line?
enumeration.
Let's do $10. Okay. Now already we got a bit of an error here because I forgot to do something, which I'll add in a second. If I
Like looking at
scroll
the
here-
comments right now, but Jesus Christ, I did.
From ast import for does it run? Oh, just clear the import random. Clear the import random and just run it again.
Really? How you know it?
I don't know, I did it and it works.
Clear and then write it again.
Oh shit. Columns is not defined. No. Oh, I didn't type it properly, that's why. Okay, it's fine. Okay, continue.
Nah, still got the same.
Let me run it again. Start. It works. No. Exception thrown. List index out of range. For row in range. What
thing.
range? Suck
Same
my
thing.
balls.
I got that same exact error, bro. I don't get it. It's the same shit, bro. I don't get it. I literally have that same error. I don't. GG. Let's just call it a day.
For row in range len column list index out of range. Oh, I didn't put 0. Am I supposed to put 0?
You did? What are you talking?
You can see that what's happening is we're blocks.
Why does this pain, Pekko? For row in range len columns 0 spacing. For okay, let me fix this. Define print slot machine. Columns for row. What is row? Exception unhandled. What's that mean? You know what? Just write it again.
Yeah, just write it again. Just delete and download back again.
No, just delete that entire line of code.
I literally have the same problem as you. I don't know. Is it our IDE problem? I don't get it.
Def print for row in range. You spell range wrong. Don't give me this weird looking len column then 0 then boom. Pass. The fuck is a pass? Why is there a pass? Why is there a pass suddenly? 9:38.
Wait, are we watching the same video? Why it got pass?
Yeah, I'm watching the same video. I don't know why the pass came out. Let me run it. For I think for I column enumerate
Today's
columns How do you spell columns? Okay, correct. Print column row dot else print column row. List index out of range. How do you fix this problem? List index can be fixed by making sure elements accessed in the list are within index range of the list. This can be done using range function along with the len space function. This is better. You're providing an index for a list element that does not exist. So what is the range in the number that doesn't exist?
Row that we have. For every single row, we loop through every column, and for every column, we only print the
I'm
current row
just
that we're
looking at
on.
you suffer.
So we're gonna
bro.
print
I'm
what
a
is it, row
suffering.
0? So
I
all
don't.
of the
I
elements.
don't know how to do that code. That
So row
part,
0
you know,
first,
the print
then row
slot
1,
machine.
then row 2, and
Slot
this
machine.
essentially
Like it's weird, bro.
I'm still at the same problem. That you enumerate, then after that.
Yeah, there. I'm also there. Like, there's just something wrong with it, but I don't get it. Like I written, like I
transposes or
every
flips our
single
column.
thing
Everything
like
should be the same.
that is the same as that.
Does he have like code in the bottom that we can go see? Like he put it on GitHub? Yeah, he put it on GitHub.
Already. Okay.
Oh, thank fuck. Yeah, he put it on GitHub. Thank fuck. This is line 38, right? Line 38. 5. That's not the correct one. Shit. Def print slot machine columns. Okay, for row in range, len columns 0 space space for I column in enumerate. I len column -1.
He only put the final completed product. How
Yeah.
do I check the code?
You have to press main pie. I don't know what you're saying, but okay. I'll print column row. Do you print at the end? Oh. Oh, he also put another print at the end.
Wait, how are you looking at the?
Oh, it works! It works! Bro, just put another print, don't change anything, just put another print. Fuck. It's GitHub.
No, how are you looking at the GitHub? Where?
Oh my god. My legs, bruh. Jesus. Ah. His YouTube underneath got link one mah. Go to the link underneath.
No, I downloaded the Binaria file already.
No, you don't download the full file. You just go to GitHub and open the main py file.
Just open the main file.
I can send you the code.
Oh, okay. I
just
saw
put,
it.
You just put a print. Look at my.
Yeah. I fucking downloaded it. I'm gonna open it up.
Oh, it works. Actually, I don't know whether it works, you know. Cause like, it runs right, but it doesn't show error. No! Problem. I thought I was smarter than this. Suck my balls!
Define pre-slot machine columns. For row, did I spell enumerate wrong or something? Like, bro, I don't get it. What's the fucking problem, bruh? Oh my god, I'm actually gonna puke.
I don't get What exception is strong?
The print doesn't help, man. I still get the fucking problem.
The print doesn't help either.
What is the problem? You're actually making me mold.
This is what they mean. Encoders have problems. When was this coding project made?
Last month.
Oh, maybe you can comment and ask him, bro, what in the hell is going on?
But like, it's like we are the only one, you know. I check all the comments and they're like, none of them say anything about this problem. Are we just like, are we just too this like, are we like specially done? Like, is it just us?
I swear to God, what the hell is going on?
I'm copying the entire code and writing it in like another area. See if it's like got any problems or not.
I'm gonna ask it in the comments. Hey Tim, can you please help me?
I think it's our ID problem lah.
Like the list problem said that time to go on Stack Overflow.
Overflow. What are they gonna do for you?
They're gonna help us, cause
No, bro. I think it's just our Python file version problem.
I'm using
That's
3.10,
right.
you're using 3.9.
Nine.
Or
No, you
something.
see, right? I copied the entire code right from GitHub to a new file, to a new Python file, and then like it still gives me the same fucking error. Like, bruh, we are writing the code properly. It's the IDE have problem.
Then what ID shall we use? I'm using Visual Studio.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Oh, sunny day. Is the valleys. La da da. La da da. La da da. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. IDE problem list index out of range. Oh my god.
It's not our problem. Like, I don't know what's the problem, but it's not our problem.
Trying to access that doesn't exist in a limb. Using invalid indexes in a loop. Specifying a range that exceeds the indexes in the list when using the range function.
Do we have to like import anything or something? I don't fucking know. No one in the comments is saying anything about it. It's so fucking weird. That's like, what?
List fruits. Wait, I'm looking at like a a problem that's similar. Trace back, print and declare. In the creditless fruits with tree, you are trying to print out the value in the tree. As it starts from 0, that's why in the list the last index is 2, not 3. Due to which you try to print the value at index 3, it will give an error. Oh, because there is no index there is no list at 0. So, what is the answer? Value of I exceeds the index value of list. You try to print the value of I just before print I before the print. Okay.
I do not know, man. I just know I've thought.
I'm gonna run it and see what happens. I'm gonna go into
I think we should just call it a day lah. Long day, long day.
reach, calls, rows. For because right, he defined the range as having nothing. So the nothing can mean anything when nothing is nothing. You know what I'm
Nothing.
saying?
No, I just heard nothing, nothing, nothing. But if so, then right, his code should work according to his video. Why is it just that our IDE doesn't work? Like when we write it, the exact same code, like it doesn't work.
Ba, 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 ba. Repause lottery app.py. Line 38. In slot machine. In print slot machine for row in range len columns O dash dash. Repause lottery line 107 in main print slot machine sorts. Current is this the module or the app?
I think we need to like install a different module, like install one more module or something. I don't forget.
Stop going to my. There's no chill. Stop going to my lottery app. 56. The lottery app is mine. Stop. You're fucking it up. Do we have to write out the full code first before we do anything? Should we stop? It's like 2 o'clock.
Dude, I don't know, man. Like, what is even happening?
Politics, bro. Politics is happening.
Nice, Malaysia's getting fucked.
Malaysia's getting fucked. Let's go see the news. See what the news says.
I don't think there would be any news like right now midnight, right? Like you think the reporters still updating, man? They'll probably just update tomorrow.
No
2 p.m.
lah, last night still have news until like 2 a.m. Sabah be entered by central decision 9 hours ago. Okay, never mind.
Twitter?
Oh, I don't want to show Twitter on Twitch. Let it get banned. For obvious reasons.
I see.
Da, da, da.
You're showing Twitter on Twitch right now.
Oh, oh, oh my god. Almost, bruh. Saved my ass. How'd you know? You saved my ass.
Because tell me if you get any replies in the YouTube comment. GG already. This one cannot already. Tak boleh. Think recorded the GG. Bye bye. Cut this. I close already.
GG. Good night.
Oh, you're sleeping?
I don't know. Maybe I'll play a little bit of games or something.
Oh, wow. So, Twitter got anything trending?
Twitter got anything trending? GE15 is still trending. There's this
Muhyiddin is trending.
DAP pass.
Why is Muhyiddin trending?
I don't know. There's also this trending thing where they said 13 May. The Chinese Christianization thing will take over. I'm like, who in the hell is spreading these rumors? Chill, relax, stop it. TikTok boys. These TikTokers have no chill. Islam is trending.
Just appoint a prime minister already. PH or PN and Anwar or Muhyiddin.
Why is
At this
Netherlands
point,
trending?
IDGAF already.
I don't GAF also. I will move out anyway.
This shit show been dragging way longer than it should be. Taking this long to
Best
determine
countries
the
for
PM
raising
is
kids.
already a bad sign.
Denmark, Norway, Sweden #1. Yes. Of course.
What happened about Malaysia?
Now,
I love planet Earth. That's
this
the
is a
best.
story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right here. I'll tell you how I became a mother of 10 beautiful children.
You want to play games?
Wait, you're
Yeah.
pregnant?
Okay, let's play.
Wait, you're pregnant?
Give up now. Hey. At least we did.
Yeah, we
Learn
did
like
something.
half.
We tried our best.
At least we learned like half of the video, right?
Yeah, we learned like I think I learned like 20% of the video. Actually,
At
no,
least
I
we
think
did
it's lower
something.
than that.
No. At least we didn't play any.
Yeah, at least
play any
we
games.
didn't play games. It's just an improvement.
Yeah, we were being
I'm
productive.
so proud. We were very productive. Ooh, let's
I learned how
fucking
to
go.
import stuff.
Yeah, I
And
also
learn how
know
to
that
print.
there's this enumerate thing that's fucking me over in my life. I wonder if I will see it again in the future. Jesus.
Later comes back in like 5 years. You
But
again.
no, not the enumerate, my arch nemesis. Oh,
Bro.
stupid bitch. Oh my god. What do you wanna play? Overwatch?
Hey, at least
Come and carry you.
I can't bother to play Valorant. At least
Play
we
Valorant. Okay,
I found
go
out
play.
where the Overwatch. We are playing Overwatch. I said I can't bother to play Valorant.
Oh, I see.
At least I found out where the fucking pipe symbol is. Like I was searching for that for like full like 5 minutes.
The above the enter.
Yeah, like I couldn't even find it. You know, I searched so many Google. They say not. They just explain what pipe is. They don't say where to find it.
Jesus.
until I find like a YouTube video from 6 years ago. Lord and Savior.
Kanye
I was
telling everyone he's about to sell clothes from Yeezy Balenciaga for $20 each so everyone can afford quality clothes. Bro, nobody's buying your shit, that's it.
Probably gonna be overpriced. And
Yeah,
dog
probably.
shit.
I have Overwatch open already.
Yeah, I invited you.
Dun 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 dun.
I need one more win to get my rank in support.
Let's go lah. Easy clap. Carry you. Easy.
Later my rank go even further back. I laugh lah.
Ayo. Shit.
Hello. Hey, finally works.
Wait, I accept. Why cannot accept? Oh, okay, can accept.
My voice chat finally works. I don't know why I clicked, but it works. Yeah.
I don't know either.
It wasn't working for like
But...
one whole week for some reason. Don't know why suddenly can. Hey. Why you still got three viewers inside one?
I don't know. Damn lucky way. Maybe like
Who are
Zesty
they?
Fungus is watching. I don't know. Let
He's
me
still
check.
here?
Don't know what's up. Yo, say something, bro. I don't know whether you guys are watching or not. I don't even know who's watching.
Hi chat.
Yo, chat. Let me see. Luckily, no, it's a bot. No. Academy. No lah, all bots are.
Oh,
Except you
bad.
lah, I see you. Haha.
Why the fuck the bot stays so long?
No, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bots, right? But Twitch
Yeah.
knows that it's a bot, right? So it detects a few people only.
Oh.
They know. Dun.
What does it say anything? But I have classes tomorrow. Just real.
Oh,
Yeah,
time
that's
to
hard.
play. Time to play. You want to play?
I have classes tomorrow.
In sight. I'll have us in and out in no time. Science holds the key to understanding.
Even with the real
Go.
full code, copy pasted.
Hey, big man, you got any requests?
Code.
I will see this task completed.
I'm like explaining to stream, typing. I'm like,
To bot? Huh?
so fast.
Oh, see. I'm behind you. Sojun is 1 HP. Oh, we have made.
Itai.
Genji.
I'm healing.
I'm dead. There's this Winston chasing my ass.
Help, help, help.
You're alone inside, I think.
I've out. I'm gonna die.
I'm coming.
I'm dead.
We almost got sight.
Almost. Guys, can you hear me? My communications is fucked. I'm behind you. Back up so I can get the boost. Somebody's gonna die. You have the boost. Okay, I'll think.
I got my out. Tell me when to out. I'm outing. Kiriko is very low.
I'm getting the.
Genji is dead. We got
Okay,
sight.
we got sight.
Okay, nice.
Get sight. So aggressive.
You have to kill all the people near us. I'm following you.
Getting another one. I'm going back.
Falling back.
Get Winston. Winston altered.
Yeah, I'm getting him. He's not doing shit to us.
I killed him.
Nice. Genji. Where the
Got
hell is
him.
this guy? Yeah, Soju.
What was that? Flick, so nasty. Ooh la la. Wait, come back.
Oh, Lizzie.
Hide. They have the alter.
Fall back.
You get
Baptist
hit
alter.
instant one shot from the wall.
Yeah, I know. I got a little bit more to my out.
Oh, somebody dropped in.
I got my out. Tell me when you're low lah. I use my out.
Low.
I'm using.
Somebody altered. Oh, I almost got one. Oh, Moira's dead. Nice.
Jungle
Dead.
Queen.
Jungle team.
I'm falling back.
Yeah, she's dangerous. I could use the speed boost.
I don't know where you are.
Oh, I'm from spawn. Here.
I'm coming to you.
Yeah, come back. I'm with you. I'm behind you. Somebody's gonna die.
Fuck them. Oh,
Backing up. Back up.
Genji.
Back up. Oh fuck! I got stuck behind.
What does he
car.
have? Sword? Do I wait for you?
Yeah, I'm Reinhardt. Cause that area is a nice choke point.
Genji is above.
Okay, we're going up and then we're dropping down.
No, Genji is like above here. Oh, why is there?
Kill
I'm
him.
waiting for tankers.
Anyone with me?
Yeah, I'm with you. I need a shield. You're alone.
I'm not
You have to run. I can't help your ass. Oh, time to go. My heals are like very less.
Why nobody could heal me?
I'm running away.
I was low. Anna heal me. Why didn't Anna heal me? Okay, thank you.
They're all on our side. We are like quite fucked. Why May War here? You get her.
Nice.
Nice.
This one.
Thank you.
You're gonna die if you're with him. Careful.
Tell me when you're gonna low. Jungle Queen is in.
I got her.
Oh fuck! I forgot. Wow.
Oh shit.
I died too fast. Critical man. 7k healing. Nani. I'm coming. At least we got a checkpoint. A lot of flank.
Nice, nice.
A lot of flankers.
I'm getting the flankers. Get Kiriko.
No. She TP'd. Sojun. Oh no. I think I should play Moira.
Ah, so I stunned all of them.
You did?
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm coming. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm right behind Moira.
I'm Moira.
I'm with you.
Follow our team. We need to get this. Oh, damn, Moira outed. Can you hook her?
Hooking in 3 seconds. Is this Reaper?
I guess.
I have no healing. Why nobody? Oh my god. Everyone's dead already. We lost.
Genji fucked us up.
You got one shotted. And
Whip.
Hila.
At least we got a checkpoint.
We got 2 points. Easy, we can block them up. Easy cut. We got this.
May can do something.
Yeah.
Symmetry.
What the fuck was
I
May was
don't-
doing? Blocking our own wall off? Like, what was she trying to do?
Our DPS not really performing well though. Like, you almost have double their damage. Like, what the fuck?
Huh? Why are they playing Symmetra? I mean, okay lah, I'll try using her stuff lah. Symmetra! Wait, no, let me turn on my
You have to go J first.
communication.
I like your mask. I said I like your mask, dude.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello?
I
Somebody
can't.
said they like my mask. I don't know who it was that. Kiriko?
You fucking Kiriko our. It's a voiceover lah. What you talking?
Yeah, I know, it's Kiriko taught me. I never heard that before with Roadhog, because Roadhog rarely talks.
I mean, Roadhog didn't even say anything bad.
He said okay, I could hear it.
Uh,
Stay here, stay this yellow taxi.
oh yeah, Winston. It's always Winston.
Ah!
I'm healing you.
Yeah, Winston. Okay, I'm healing, I'm going back.
We need to get Winston somehow.
I
Holy shit, I just got sniped by this soldier.
Uh-oh.
Their soldier is actually carry, like.
Get back, get back. I'm going back, I'm alone. They're gonna rush, right?
Go. I'm
I
like-
just need to stay alive.
They have out too, man. I'm like just running away. My bad.
I need healing.
I'm healing. They really get the side lah. Genji is at the back of us. What?
I have 1 second.
Yo, where's our teammates?
What the hell, man? I'm like... they have my balls in their
Yo,
hands.
DPS. Fuck.
I was hitting nasty. I was getting nasty. Like, huh?
Wow. They really got the side way faster than what we're doing just now. Their soldier is way too good.
Yeah.
Just like hard
I'll
carry.
target Sojourn.
Like her right click is like a one shot, bro. So broken.
Oops.
Get Winston, he's very annoying. Hey, I'm not near you. You know what? I'm outing.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm healing.
Backing up.
But we can't back up.
Killing Winston.
Oh my god, Winston is on my hands.
Why are they trying to kill me so bad?
Cause you're the tank. Why is our DPS doing so bad?
Nice, I got one. I mean, who was that?
Like, dude, stop playing this symmetrical girl.
Yeah.
Isn't she just like good for defending? Really fucked up our defending game. Ooh, someone went AFK, that's nice. Oh no, block for there. Yeah, Genji very annoying. See her? She's just going in and dying. What is this?
Yo, Jakara is with you. Behind you, Genji.
No. Get her. She's low. Nice. You're fine.
Yeah, just heal me constantly. I'll just pressure them. I have my ult soon. Can you heal me? I have ult. Get back.
Left side. Behind. There's a Reaper, I think.
I'm mid Symmetra.
I got Junker Queen. Holy shit.
Heal me? Oh shit.
I'm healing.
Yeah, I'm just holding here.
Yeah, we're doing good. Let's just continue holding like that. Jericho is quite low.
I'm low.
Yeah, I'm healing. Just continue. Oh, I'm out.
They ulted. There's someone spamming. I cannot.
Where are you?
I cannot. Sojourn is on me.
I got you. You're
Mei
fine.
is alone.
Mei is fucking dead. I don't care about her.
Sojourn!
Wait.
Oh, you all this Sojourn. Nice, I got Sojourn. I'm high.
We can fight them. We can win them. I'm on their Kiriko.
I've ult.
I got Kiriko, but I died also. Oh, their teammate joined back the game. Who the fuck is that teammate?
Come back. Oh my god.
Oh, they're Lucio. Leon,
Oh my god, help me. God bless.
I'm coming. 30 seconds left.
Nice, I got Sojourn.
They 30 seconds left. Just don't let them get the checkpoint.
I just need to stay alive. Stay back. Come on, get this one, yes!
You are cringe. Nice.
They're missing one healer. They're pushing.
No, their healer is back.
Uh-oh.
I'm healing.
I'm
You're
on
fine.
Genji.
I'm out.
Genji's with me.